Right. Streamers go. Hey, hi, how y'all doing? Let me just quickly share on my limited socials that I am streaming. Yay. Woo! Woo! Okay, bum. Okay, almost done with what I'm doing over here. Oh, for crying out! I hate Discord so much. Okay, there you go. Haha. Okay, there we go. Hey, LBR! Yay! You're here. Streaming starting soon. Yo, buddy. Stream starts soon. Yes. Yes, exactly. Exactly. Oh, right. I just need to do one more thing over here, which is opening it on phone so I can communicate with all of you. Yay. Well, not communicate. So I have to chat visible. There you go. There you are. Okay, let's go then. Hi LBR, how you doing tonight? Okay, so if Visual Studio Code would open, that would be hello. What? No, not Visual Studio. Oh, for crying out loud! Why is why is search being stupid? I don't want to use Visual Studio. I want to use Visual Studio Code. Uh, search. Why are you being stupid? What? 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 Why is why are you okay, sure. Sure. Windows. Hey, Ocean, how you doing? Windows being as stupid as it usually likes to be and just doing some weird nonsense. Like some really weird nonsense. The frickin' egg is this shit on here? Oh, okay, yeah, because I haven't. Okay, yeah. It's just it seems that Visual Studio Code is just updating or something because I haven't touched it in quite a while. Okay, we'll let it update. We'll let it update. In the meantime, I said, "Hey, 1063, how you doing? Hey, welcome to chat, man. Glad to see you. Glad to see you." And yeah, first time you're chatting on my stream. Hey, I hope you're having a wonderful weekend, man. But yeah, uh, yeah, just actually, I don't think I can probably still use VS Code even if I don't do stuff with this, right? Right? Yeah, I can. Okay, yeah, I can. Oh wow, I am so rusty with this shit. Oh damn it. Okay, at least it still has the. Okay, it still has the right thing open. Okay, that's good. That's good. That is good. Okay, in that case, you're sick? Oh no, shit. I hope you recover. I hope you recover fast, man. Oh, what? Okay, there you go. That was weird. Okay, let me just get rid of. Wait, where are you? Wait, where? Okay, here's Buddy. Hey, there you are. There you go. There you go. Yay, Aussie. Of course, of course. Of course. Okay. Okay. Yeah. And there you go. Now we're in Godot. Whee! This is nothing. This is really nothing special here. It was just trying some basics and the sense of just getting a mouse to work. Actually, I think I was looking also into like trying to like make selectable items and a freaking drag box. But you know what? We can do it. We can do it later. We can do it later. Right now, what we're going to do is I'm gonna open my main scene. Oh, okay, I call this main scene. Okay, yeah, sure, yeah, we can keep this main. What I want to do now, Godot, 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 Godot. What I want to do now is I want to look at this little tutorial and translate it to C#, which should be easy. It's a fairly... Is it really this freaking quick? Yeah, I'm just gonna do raycast. I'm not gonna actually shoot a projectile with this thing. Wait, what is this? Arcade-style spaceship? You know what? You know what? You know what? I'm gonna do I'm gonna do this one next because this is actually going to help me. This might actually help me with some other, not with all my plane stuff. I could also just do the arcade. I could just directly do the arcade style airplane. I could just do that as well, and compare that to my current airplane. Then again, I don't. If I look at this one, this one does not do the thing. Wait, does it do the thing I like? Oh no. This one does not do the thing that I like. This one does the horrible thing where right and left is just moving left and right, which is absolutely terrible. I could still look at it and see if I can learn some things. But yeah, no. First of all, we're going to try and learn shooting with a raycast. That's what we're going to do first of all. So yeah, time to get your learning caps on, people. We're going to learn. Yay! How amazing. Okay, the main question is wait, systems already have working. Okay. Okay, yeah. Obviously, no. Is it a label? No 3 FPS player. Okay, yeah. So what we want to do is wrong here. The FPS player. Dude, where are you? 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 Wait, this? Oh, I didn't. Wait, did I not name this? I don't think I did name this. Where are you again? Open an editor. There you are. Open an editor. Okay. Let's actually call this FPS. Oh yeah. Just call this player FPS or FPS player, whatever. FPS player. There you go. There. That's what we're gonna call it. Save it. Good. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, so in here it wants me to add a label to add a freaking hitbox. No, not hitbox, like a little X mark. I don't really care for that X mark. Okay, I should do it for some feedback so that I actually do stuff. Done. We'll add an input check in the input function. Okay. Let's check. Let's check again. We had one of those over here. Wait, we used a ready physics project and input. Okay, yeah. Event mouse equal event as input event mouse motion. Uh, hmm. Obviously, okay. So I already see a problem here. Mainly the fact that the way this is set up right now. Also, 1063, I have no idea how how entertaining this is going to be for you because it's going to get very nerdy. I'm making a lot of assumptions here. Sorry, maybe you're totally into this. I don't freaking know. Okay. So, bar event mouse at event is input as input mouse motion. Obviously, I need to change this because this supposes that all mouse input will just be will just be input event mouse motion, which I don't want that to be the case. I wanted to look for other stuff as well. This is going to be annoying. Yeah, here my noobness shows. Okay, event is action pressed. Shoot, obviously. Wait, what? If event is action pressed, shoot. Actually, wait. I'm being dumb. I don't need to do that, so I can actually. Actually, no, wait. I'm checking the input function, which we already used to handle mouse input. Yeah, but you see, the problem here is if I go back to this, and I check how this did things. It's just like if event is input mouse motion, it does that. Okay, I guess I can just do that. I can just add that in there. Oh yeah, of course I can. I can just add it in there. Like, I'm an idiot. Of course. Look, I haven't programmed in a week, which makes me very rusty. Okay, yeah. So this. Let's just comment this out. This is for crying out loud, stupid indentation. I want. Can you indent? Thank you. What do I call it? Mouse motion controlling. Yes, there you go. Whatever. That's that. And we are going to add mouse shooting controller or whatever the frickin' heck. I am terrible at writing comments. I wish I would be better at it. Okay, so wait a minute, but how? Wait a minute. Wait, can I? Can I? Ah, pains of using C#, but C# is neat. If event is action pressed, yes. Okay. Oh, for crying out loud. I might have to look at a different project real quick to actually get a freaking idea on what the heck I'm doing here, because I'm not touch. Oh, wait, actually, no. I don't need to. I can actually look for input dot. Okay, yeah, there we go. Here, if there you are. Input dot is action pressed. Yeah. That's what we're using here, right? Is action. Yeah, action pressed. Shoot. Okay. Let's go make shoot real quick because I don't think we have shoot. So that would be project settings. Input map. Yeah, we need to add one. Let's add a new action. Call it shoot. Wait. Oh wait. Oh, mouse buttons. Left mouse button. Yes, just left mouse button. There you go. Left mouse button all devices. Yay! There you go. Okay, that is going to be shoot. Oh wait, actually, let's make it all lowercase. Let's keep ourselves in our convention. There you go, which is lowercase. Okay, there you are. There you are. Oh shit. Never mind that. Close this. There you are. Okie dokie. Is action pressed? Oh, no, why are you making it outside? You should make it in here. Shoot. There you go. I am still uncertain if I prefer. No, I don't. I have tried. But I do not like. But it's. Welcome to Aussie's conflicts and coding conventions. Do I go with this way of doing brackets, which I prefer, or do I go with this one, which I guess makes it makes the blocks more distinguishable among themselves, but I don't like the empty space. I hate the big empty space. I'm just gonna go with what I like. Here you go. I prefer this. I prefer this. Look, there's a reason why I follow my own conventions of this. Okay, ignore a lot of nonsense I'm saying. It's personal preference. It's personal preference. All this convention and all this convention stuff. Besides, if I do proper indentation, everything's fine, and I am I'm a big fan of proper indentation. Oh no, stop doing it automatically. I hate that. I can probably stop it to do that. I'll probably look at the settings and stop it from doing that, but whatever. Okay, so I do understand the basics, which is I have to create a raycast. Let's look how we're gonna do that. How we're gonna do that. Da, 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 da. Oh yeah, right. We're going to add a shooting function, which we are going to create all the way over here. Yeah. It's going to be a public? Wait, do we make this a public or a private? Can we make it public, anyone? I mean, it's a function. Functions, I mean, some of them have to. If we want something else to call it. Yeah, let's make it a public function. Let's make it a public function. Public void shoot. It does not get any parameters. It just does a thing. And within shoot. Oh, for crying out loud! Can you stop doing this? There you go. And within here, we call shoot. Wait, there. That's all we do. Perfect. Mouse shooting controller. Yay. Oh, why did it do that? Stop doing that. What? What? Wait. Am I gaslighting myself? Did Fiasco just? I'm sorry. Did this piece of shit IDE literally just undo my personal stuff here? Oh, I hate that. I hate that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. That's wow. Don't do that. Don't do that to me. I hate that. Okay, let's look at what this thing is telling us to do. Direct space state. Okay, well, yeah, obviously the first thing. Okay, shoot method whenever it's called. We want to build a physics array query parameter. Yeah. Which defines the start position of the camera. Yeah, makes sense. And the end position of the camera projected forward by 100 meters. Yeah, makes sense. Points of the array. Well, passages. If you're gonna use a new direct space state. Okay, that's good to know. Okay. I'm gonna look up what the direct space state is. Godot documentation. No, I hate that feature so much. I hate that dumb thing that it showed there. No, just stop it. Stop it. Okay, here we are. Okay, okay, what is this? Direct space state. I want to know what that is. Direct space state. I want to know why I'm using this. This is query parameter 3D. Okay, wait, here. World 3D. Direct space state. What is this? Direct access to world's physics 3D space state. Used for querying current and potential collisions when using multi-threaded physics as its limited node physics process. Physics direct space state 3D. Okay, what the frickin' heck does this do? That's direct access to physics space and the physics server 3D. It's used mainly to do queries against objects and areas residing in a given space. Okay, so from my limited understanding of this, I get physics. I used to physics. I'm a smart man. Alright. Alright. So yeah, we get the world 3D, which we are in. Okay, can I? I don't think I can translate this directly to this. Can I? Let's see. Var space. Can I do this actually? I guess I can. No, I don't think I can do this. Get world 3D dot direct. Okay, no, it's not doing the. Wait, let's see. What does it have with? Oh, okay. No, this is a function. Okay, wait. What does this do? It turns the current world 3D resources node 3D is registered to. Oh, okay. Okay. So what I do in this case is I do this, and then I do space dot direct space state. Ha! There you are. Okay, 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 good. Good, 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 good. Okay, okay. Okay, and I am gonna use that and another thing then. Okay, gotcha. Okay, we make a query, which, ooh, okay, physics ray, query parameters, 3D. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, we make a physics ray. Yeah, we make the parameters, we create that. Read global position. Okay, wait, camera, 3D, what are you in this case? You are nothing. Wait, what? Are you kidding me? I do. Oh, no. Here, main camera. Okay, yeah, main camera. Okay, main camera. Main camera. Okay. Our query. Cool. That's a lot of physics state things. Physics array query parameters 3D dot create. Oh yeah, I can just create this. Oh, give me a second. I'll be right back. Hold on to your pants. Okay, I'm back. Sorry for that. Okay, so yeah, this stuff needs our main camera dot global position. It needs. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay. Wait. We're giving it two parameters. Right. Yeah. Makes sense. We're giving it. Yeah. Yeah. This needs. Yeah. This thing needs two parameters, which would be. Vector from vector 2. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, vector from and vector 2. In this case, we do vector from, which would be main camera dot global position, which is a vector with like x, y, z, whatever, all the stuff, and we aim it towards camera dot global position minus camera. Yeah, that. I really need to brush up on my freaking vector math because that shit's important in order to understand a lot of stuff. In order to understand what the heck you're doing. Because I want to understand that. Okay, so we do global position, not global basis, I said global position. Minus main camera dot global transform, where are you here? Global transform dot basis dot z times times 100. Because we're doing this, we're doing this in 100 meters, 100 units of meters, whatever that is in this case. Okay, yeah, so that's the query. Okay, so now, we make a collision. We make our collision, which in this case would be space dot what is it again? Direct space state. Wait, can I? No, I don't think I can do that. Huh. Wait, is direct space state? What is that? Is that? Hmm. And I will do this. I will do this, and then I will do var space equal world dot no direct here, yeah, dot direct space state. There you are. Okay, there you go. Now we're going to use space because now we have the direct as its own thing, and we do an intersect ray between query. Oh, that makes sense. Okay, you know what? This makes a lot of sense. I think it makes a lot of sense. Okay. Yeah. Obviously, if we have a collision, so if this is true, I can. Oh yeah. Makes sense. We can just use. Wait, can we just use collision? Can we just use collision? No, we can't. Wait. What exactly does? Wait. What exactly does intersect ray? What does this return? Intersects a ray in a given space. Ray position and other parameters are defined. Return objects to the dictionary with the following fields: the colliding object's ID, normal. Oh, okay. Uh, So I guess what I can do is if collision not null. That yeah, that works because collision in this case, because I'm pretty sure I cannot do true. I cannot do yeah. That's why it's giving me an error. Yeah, I can't do true because it doesn't return true or false. It doesn't return boolean. It returns the whole thing. Okay, so if the collision is ocean. Oh, if Ozzy still has food, ocean still no. Do not. Oh, okay, yeah. No worries, no worries. Twitch is just dumb with links and shit. Okay. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine, don't worry. I mean, it's showing on mine. It's not. Wait, did the automod delete it? I can see it. I don't think it did. No, it didn't delete it. It didn't delete it. Okay. Well, that's probably not gonna. Is that gonna send to anything? Stupid links. Let's hope it's not gonna. No, it's not gonna do anything. Okay, so yeah. So if collision is not null, I wanted to do collision.collider.name. Ah, okay. I see. I see. Wait, so this intersect ray, it returns the collider, yeah, which is the colliding object. Colliding object's ID, okay. Normal, the object surface normal at intersection point. Oh, yeah, important. Position to intersection point, okay. Face index, a face index at intersection point. I do not know what the face index is. Okay, obviously, if collision. Okay, so I might want to. Okay, I guess I will create that extra thing over here, which was a canvas layer. Wait, what? Wait. What was it again? A label. There we go. Right. Wait. Wait a minute. Wait. What do you mean? Add a canvas layer with a label. No to the FPS plate. What do you mean? Wait, what's a? What's a canvas? Yeah, canvas layer. 2D scene. Huh. Okay, yeah. As you can see, I am not knowledgeable in the 2D part of Godot at all. Not that it means that I'm very knowledgeable on the not 3D part, but I'm a little more knowledgeable on it. Oh yeah, let's just call it label. This is going to be hit target. And we are going to... Wait, can I? No, vertical alignment, center. This center. It's not doing what I wanted to do. Why? Okay. Okay. No. 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 I think that's the text align. Hey, Delton. Welcome here. Layout. No. Yeah. Yeah. Here. Top left. No. I want this to be center. There you go. Okay. And now we are going to. Can I make this larger? Oh, that's not nice. Okay, we have the layout. Now, where's the transform? Transform? Or does this not have a transform? Or is it part of the layout? Part of the layout? Oh, okay, okay, here we have the transform. Okay, X size, let's make it 80. There you go. And now we're going to center it again. We're going to center. There you go. Yeah, this is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. Okay, hit target. We are going to create another... Here you are. We're going to create another property. Well, no, no, it's not a property. Wait, is it a property? Player values, basic values. Yes, yes, yeah. Okay, we have the speed, jump speed, muscle activity, engine value. Oh yeah, there you go. Okay, here you go. Here you go. Exports. That's the name. Export. Public. Label. Yeah, there you go. Label. Hit target. This is going to start off as null, obviously. There you go. Perfect. Okay, we're going to save that. Whatever, we can now continue over here. Yeah, so this thing was essentially... Yeah, it was essentially getting the label, the text, would be equal to collision collider dot name. Yeah, okay, yeah, makes sense, makes sense. So I'm going to do hit target dot text equal oh wait, yeah, here. Collision dot collider. Oh, 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 oh. It's not. What is it giving me? What is it giving me? Why? It gives me a collider. So why can I not values dot collider? No. Mm. Oh. No. Try get value? No, that does not seem right. No, 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 no. I have no idea what I'm doing here. No, 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 no. Okay. Okay, wait. What does it give me again? It gives me... it returns a physics, square parameters, 3D parameters. 3 given space, reposition other parameters are defined through the return object is a dictionary with the following fields. Okay. Okay. Oh shit. I'm a dev alongside Aussie, but nothing really involves scripting, just enemy stuff. Well, that's perfectly fine. All game development is valid. Okay, wait, it returns a dictionary and it's a C sharp. C sharp dictionary. Dictionary to key value class. Okay, let's read about dictionary. So it returns a dictionary. So wait, do we have a dictionary? This system collection generic. System collection generic. What? What? Okay, so it says it returns a dictionary. The following code examples gives a dictionary T key value strings keys uses to add method to add some elements. The example demonstrates that the add method shows an argument exception. See, this is what we do here. We learn about painful stuff. Example shows how to use try get value. Okay, okay. So I would want to try and get value. I am skipping through the text. I should read. Strings with string keys and uses the add method to add some elements. The example demonstrates that add method throws an argument exception when attempting to add a duplicate key. Okay. The example uses the item property, the index in C# to retrieve values, demonstrating that a key not found exception is thrown when a requested key is not present, and showing that the value associated with a key can be replaced. The example shows how to use try-get-value method as a more efficient way to retrieve values if a program often must try key values that are not in the dictionary. And it shows how to use contains key method to test whether a key exists before calling the add method. The example shows how to enumerate the keys and values in the dictionary and how to enumerate the keys and values alone using the keys property and the values property. I'm out of my width here. Out of my depth. Okay. Hey, well, yeah, this is to try with value. Value collection. Okay, yeah, values, but. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No. Ah, shit. Ah, crap. Values? Dot. Yeah. Crap. I do not know how to operate on dictionaries. No. Oh man. The pains of translating GDScript to C#. Intersects array in a given space to parameters defined through the returned object is a dictionary with the following fields. Collider, the colliding object. Collider ID. Oh boy, okay, time to read more about colliders. No, not colliders, I mean about dictionaries. Uh, bu- 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 bum. Okay, so there's a key and a value. Right, makes sense. So I want to get the value of something, I call the key. Yeah, makes sense. That much I understand. Oh boy. Oh boy. Are you still on? Oh, okay. Yeah, this is Skyrim. That image caught me off guard. Okay, properties, methods. Wait, property. Wait, keys. I probably have to get. Okay, no. Okay, so I probably have to do something with the keys. So, okay, wait. How do I read? Open with no. How do I use the change of value? Okay. Let's read this. Okay, yeah, this is add. Okay, this is adding stuff to the dictionary. I don't want to add anything to the dictionary. I want to read from the dictionary. So that exception is the requested key is not in the dictionary. Okay. Program often has to try keys that turn out. Okay. Contains key can be used to test keys before inserting them, which is probably good practice. Might do. Okay, then again, if it only, would only ever try to read if there is a thing, so that's fine. Use the values property. Okay. Obviously, if I only want to get the value. Oh. I could do that, but no, I'm not gonna do that. So the value collection is strongly tied with the type I specified. Okay. Get the keys alone. Use the keys. The elements of the key collection are strongly tied. Okay. Move method to remove. Okay. This code example uses the following output. An element with key text already exists. Okay. Wait. Okay. Wait. Okay. So where do I read the values? Am I dumb? Okay, I guess I have to use the try get value. Yeah. Okay. Is try get value anywhere in this example? Did I just fly? Okay. I just flew over it. Keys that turn out not to be in the dictionary. Try get value, more efficient way to retrieve values. String value. With try get value, tiff out of value. Okay. So I could do try get value. Collider? No. Oh wait, the key. Yeah, no. Wait. But what's the? Wait a minute. Hey, Narcotis, how you doing, man? Glad to see you. I'm currently, bashing my head against the wall by trying to turn this very simple GDScript uh, into C sharp, which is usually not as straightforward as you might think. I have no idea if you have experience with dictionaries in C sharp. I have literally zero experience with it, so I'm trying to figure out how to take a value from somewhere. Okay, wait. Okay. This example is try get value tiff out value. What does that mean? What is it try? What is try get value? Associated with the specified key t value. Okay. What months out value? What's this? What does it mean? What does this mean? I don't know what this means. Oh, okay. Value. Okay, but what does out mean? What does out do? C sharp out. What does that do? No, not Spanish. I want this in English. Keyword. What does the out keyword do? Use the out keyword in two contexts. Parameter modifier, which lets you pass an argument to a method by reference rather than by value. Okay. So I need. Okay, it makes. Okay. I think I get the idea behind the out keyword. Relations for interface and delegates which specify. Okay, pass an argument to a method by reference rather than by value. Oh, okay. Oh, right. Yeah. Okay, I get it. Because over here I am getting the key, and the key references the value. So obviously, if I call the key, I need to use out to let it know I am getting the reference. Okay, I get it. Function modify variable outside of the scope. Okay, you see that right there? What you said? I'm dumb. It's function modify a variable outside of its scope. I'm trying to parse what you said. Outside of its scope. You see, I learned programming in Spanish, so I'm struggling with some of the terms in English. It's kind of a problem. Or at least that's what I remember of seeing. Well, it's fine. Look. I appreciate the help here, but and you are free to give all the help you want. But I don't want to interrogate you, if that makes any sense. uh, okay. So what I have to do over here is I actually need to. Oh wait, shit. Okay, so what I need to do. Okay. I'm going to make a var string. Actually, I'm gonna make a string. I'm not gonna call it name. Target name. There you go. That works. And that is going to be. Oh wait a minute. Wait. This already is a string. Okay, I'm dumb. I am dumb. I am dumb. Okay, so what I do over here is I do this collider out. Oh no, I do need to do it. I knew need to do it. Passing a bar to a function, and then that variable will be different after the function. So you see, I am dumb. Okay, string target name equal this. Wait a minute. Wait, I guess I just make this null or something. Then I write this into target name. No, that doesn't make any. That doesn't make any sense. Cause that's. Wait, no, that is a string. What? Wait. Wait, it should be. Wait. Wait, no, 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 no. Yeah, no, I'm out of my depth here. I'm absolutely out of my depth here. Uh, you see, the problem I have here is, what is it? I don't know what it is. I don't know what the freaking, like, it just tells me it's a collider, and tells me that collider is the colliding object. Oh, that would be a node 3D. Okay, node 3D, target name, and yeah, this equal null, whatever, and that does not solve the thing. No, no. No, 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 no. All because if I think it's the, oh, for crying out loud, collider.name. Okay, okay, I obviously. But yeah, no, no, no. Wait. But if it's a collider, just okay. You know what? How about just node? No, because the collider is a thing. Like, if I check again, it says collider. That is one of the keys, right? And it. I'm not gonna use GDScript. I'm using C# specifically because I will learn stuff. And I learned a pain that is dictionaries, because so far dictionaries look like a massive pain in my ass. Obviously, the problem I have right over here. Wait. I'm doing something else wrong here, obviously. If open, try get value. Wait, what is open with again in this case? Okay, yeah, open with would be the thing. Out value is true. Oh! Okay, wait. I think I have the solution. Right. You use this. This returns a boolean, right? No, what is this? Okay. Returns true if an entry for the given key exists in the dictionary. Otherwise, okay, yeah. Right. So if I put this in an if, this should work. Nope, it's not working. It is not working. Why are you not working? Like I'm pretty sure it should return a, like, obviously, wait, okay. What are you expecting here? What are you expecting here? What are you expecting? Variant value. Out var, wait. What? Oh, that's stupid. That's stupid. That is that is stupid. Okay. What did I call this label again? Hit target. Okay. So hit target. Okay, okay, I get it. I get it a little. My knowledge has increased by like 0.001%. Text equal a value dot name string name. wait. Okay. Does that work? What the heck is string name? Wait. Did this add something over here? No, it did not. Wait, did it? Did it? Did it add something that I don't like? No, it didn't. It didn't. Okay. Value dot. Oh, that's a. Oh. There's some gets. Get type. No. To string. Oh, there you go. To string. That's not gonna. That is not going to give me what I want. That's not. That's going to print a massive chunk of text. But you know what? But you know what? You know what? You know what? I'm fine with that. I am a-okay with that. I'm fine with that. I am a I'm a potato. Okay. Okay. We're gonna save here. We're going to assign this over here. Very good. Save. Let's go back over here to main. And let's play the scene and let's see how let's see if it blows up. Okay. Oh no! Oh shit! Oh shit! It works! Oh, okay. I mean, obviously, it doesn't work. It doesn't work exactly how I want it to, but like I wanted the name. Okay, wait. Oh, but it works. It works. It yes, yes. Yeah. Yeah. Also, I just noticed that that crosshair is not centered. Oh, okay, okay, yeah. Obviously, okay. Let's center that crosshair. That crosshair is, oh, that's disgusting. That's not centered at all, man. Why is it not centered, Ozzy? Why is it not centered? Not transform. Okay, here. Let's center left and let's just center it again. This thing is not centered at all. Oh. Wait. What? Wait. Wait. What? What? Oh. Oh. Hmm. Uh. Okay. Oh, and now I do this. Oh no. Wait. How do I give this the size of container sizing? Fill. Expand. No. Expand. Expand. No. 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 Okay. As you can see, I am not knowledgeable. Uh. About freaking this thing, about the 2D part of Godot. Like, absolutely have no freaking idea what I'm doing here. Okay, wait. So what is this? What am I doing here? Okay, anchor offset, anchor points. Okay, that's what I'm doing here. Okay. So it's the anchor points? No. What? What? No. No. Oh, wait, fuller. Oh, there you go. There you go. Okay, there you are. Nice. Now let's play this little scene again. And now we're actually going to get some proper results here. Beam. Hey, nice. Okay, actually, okay, to make it a little nicer, Okay, we got a thing. Woo! Okay. Value in this case is a Node 3D. I'm pretty sure it is a Node 3D. Can I do this? No, I can't. What is it? Is it not enough? Okay, yeah, I guess I do have to do a var. But I want to. Okay, you know what? I know what I'll do. I'll do this and then get type there, and then I will know what. What? Wait, what is get type? Wait, yeah. Get type gives me a string. Wait, does it not? Wait. Gets the type of the current instance. Object get type. Okay, wait, then can I do dot to string from this? Oh, I can? Oh, this is... Oh, that's stupid. Okay, but you know what? If it works, it works, I guess. Oh, right, I did want to move this just ever so slightly upwards. Center top. There you go. Okay, let's just move this to... No. Why is this not a slider? I would like this to be a slider. Wait, can I just... No? Can I? Oh, I can! Okay, okay, nice, 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 nice. Okay, there you go. Perfect. Okay, good, 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 good. Okay, perfect. Now let's test the scene again. Okay, I'm learning. Okay, let's see what freaking type this is. Boom! It's a Godova. What do you mean it's a variant? What do you mean? I just ah, I do not know what I'm doing. I do not know what I'm doing. Exact runtime type of the current instance. Ozzy has a yes. I has a gun. Okay, but okay, okay, okay. You know. I guess I'll just get back to the two string. I'll just get back to two string. Yes. Um. Okay, okay, okay. I do want to put an else in here. Else. Oh, I hate. No, don't do. How do I stop it from doing this? I need it. I need to stop it from doing. I don't. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Okay. Okay. Visual Studio Code bracket formatting or whatever the heck you would call this. No, no, no. Okay, wait, okay. Let's see. Send open format. Ta. If this is C code, okay. If this is C sharp, code is formatted like this. Ta. JavaScript, VS Code formats like this. How can I use formatting style? This is for all languages. I can't find a setting for this. Okay, okay, okay. Let's see. Steps below to make Visual Studio Code formatting open. Curly braces, a new line for JavaScript and TypeScript. Blah 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 blah. User settings and the menu. I am learning linting auto format. Oh. Okay, file preferences, settings. Okay, okay, okay. File preferences, settings. Also, there's not any. Okay, okay. Because I am streaming here, right? I am streaming, so I am wondering if there's any like revealing information. Like in here. I don't think there is. You know what? Give me a second. Give me a second. Give me a second. Let's just there. There you go. There you go. There you go. I'm gonna learn this. I'm learning. I'm learning. Okay. Um. TypeScript format. Settings and search for brace. Brace. Okay. C sharp. Omni sharp. What the frickin' heck? What? No. C sharp. TypeScript. Preferences. Formatting. Okay, formatting. Oh, there you are. Okay, TypeScript. Uh, insert space after opening and before closing empty brace. Okay. Insert space. Wait, does insert space in this case mean place open brace and new line for control block? Define space. Okay, which one is this now? Okay. So defines what an open brace is put onto a new line. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. On a new after opening. What? What? Define space handling. Defines. Insert space after opening. Insert space after opening and before closing. No, no, braces. Find space handling after opening and before closing. Find space handling after opening and before closing. What? I am. I am confused. I do not know what this is telling me. I I don't want it to do this. I don't want it to do this. What? I'm. No, no, no. I'm fine with it. I'm losing it. If you can't tell, I am losing it. Place after an. I. I. Brace, open brace, a new line control. Okay, a new line for control block. Wait, new line. Brace. No, wait, I don't want it to. Am I stupid? Am I? Am I just terrible at reading? Stuff. Reading instructions. Generally speaking, it's best to let out a format do its thing. Language convention exists for. Yeah, I know. Look, I know, okay? I know they exist for a reason, and I'm fine with them existing for a reason. But I am a very stubborn person, and I have my preferences, which is... Okay, whatever, I'm just gonna let it do this bullshit thing, man. I'm gonna follow conventions, you know, freaking nerds with their stupid conventions. I know that they exist for a reason, and I respect the conventions. But look, I also go by my own convention, which is called the Aussie convention. Like, it's the same as why I... Oh shit, fun fact. Hey, Narcotis. Right, fun fact. Fun fact, the main reason I do not like Python is because indentation is part of the code syntax. I detest that terribly, because I do my indentation on my own. I don't know, it feels like the language itself is putting me on, like, baby rails, and I detest that. I will do my indentation. You do not need to make it as part of the syntax. Thank you very much. That is your fun fact. That's the main reason I hate Python. It's because indentation is part of the syntax. Boy, do I hate that. I'm weird. I'm weird. I know. Curse mode. Oh no. No! Don't do this to... No! Okay. Give me just a second. Give me just a moment as I have to have to recheck my thing. Oh, you are evil. You are evil. Okay, what is that again? It's this one. Okay, there you go. There you go. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, why would you do this? Why would you do this? Why would you do this? Okay. Okay. So, that would be Control Shift C. There. Are you happy? Are you happy now? Are you happy? 30 minutes of this. It's 30 minutes, right? That's what I said in the redeem, I'm pretty sure. How dare you? How dare you? Yeah, 30 minutes. Nah. You'll pay. You will pay for this. You will pay for this, Ocean. I will make you pay. Anyhow, where was I? I was in the midst of hating on indentation. Anyhow, uh, no, I love indentation. Indentation is good. We need indentation. I hate it as part of code syntax. That's yes. That's what I do. Okay, let's. Okay, actually, okay. So, what is a convention on C# here? If I put an else here, else. Okay, yeah, sure, whatever. Compact code my ass. Let's just all these free lines. I am very stupid. Okay, whatever. Dot text. You missed Lamau. That's what the text is if you miss. I'm a very hinged individual. I hate you, Ocean. Okay, let's try the scene again. Ta. Obviously, if I don't hit anything, it's just gonna say you missed. It should. It should. It's... It's not saying you missed if I don't hit anything. Why is it not doing that? I guess I do not quite understand the issue, the thing at hand here. Okay. Let's look into that. Let's look into that. Okay, but wait. Hmm. Does this always give me not null? Hmm. I'm gonna just freaking print that to Godot. Ah, how do I do it again? How do I print it to the freaking console? I know how to do this. I forgot how to do this. Let me open up a different project real quick. Actually, no. I don't have to do that. Also, I learned stuff about dictionaries. That's good. No, what I want to do is Godot C sharp. I said C sharp. Print to console. There you are. Okay, give me a second. Okay, I am back, and I now have an intruder in my room, mainly my cat, who is... he seems to be calm right now. Also, give me just a second. Okay, there you go. We're back. Okay, how to GD print whatever. Okay, yeah, there you go. There you go. It's literally just gd.print. Wait. No, wait, is it actually like this? You might like that. Wait, is it actually just gd.print? Is it? Is it? Actually, yeah, I think it is. I think it is. I think it actually is that easy. Frickin' heck. gd.print. Yeah, it's as simple as that. As simple as that. Okay, I'm gonna do a collision dot toString in case it's. Oh right, I do need to do. There you are. Okay, 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 okay. So can it return null? Does it return null? Hmm. Good question. Good question. Let's see. Let's put that to the test. Let's put that to the test. Actually, did I not build it? Oh, maybe I didn't build it last time. We just didn't build a project. Okay. Oh, wait. No, wait, what? Okay, wait. That is interesting. No, can you? Oh, for crying out loud. Well, okay, and okay, wait. It gives an empty dictionary. Okay, obviously it gives position, it gives normal, face index, collider ID, collider, building 01, static body. Yes, shape 0, red 0. Okay. So, how do I check if a dictionary is empty? Actually, actually, wait. I should be able to do that actually very easily. I think if I go back to this whole dictionary mess, C# dictionary. Because I can check if a key is there, which can be any key. And oh, okay, actually, wait. Let me check again which key it checked, like which key it displayed first. Oh wait, it's position. Okay, so it chose position first, which tells me that position is the one that's all the way at the front, I suppose? I think? Yeah. So very first is position. Okay, so I can check if the key position is empty, the dictionary is empty. Which means in this case, what I do is, dot try get, uh, try get key? No? Something key. Keys? Contain, there you go. If contains key, position. There you go. If it is true, it does a thing. If it's false, it does a thing. There you go. Perfect. Perfect. I'm very smart. No, I'm not. So now, if I shoot at nothing, because there's no key... Ah, you missed, Lamau! Yes, I love it. You missed, Lamau. You missed, Lamau. Oh, I am very easy to entertain. You missed, Lamau. Floor. Okay, wait, how do I pick that first thing up? Building, static body 3D. How would I pick that up? How would I pick up just the name? How would I go about doing that? Because if I do value, obviously, yeah, it's a variant value, that's the problem, but... Oh! No, I can't really do that over here. Wait. Can I? Oh, shit. No, can I do this? Can I do this? Can I? No, I can't. Okay, that's fine. That is fine. That is fine. That is fine. Also, yeah, I'm missing a thing. I could. I don't want to put another if in here. Actually, I don't have to. I don't have to. What I can do is I can do value. Wait, how do I do as again? How do I do that? How do I do the whole as thingamajig event mouse as a thing? Okay, so in this case, what I can do is I can do a var. You know what? Uh, value thing. No. I need to give this like. Mm, value collider. That's what I'm gonna call this. Value collider. There you go. This is equal to value as node 3D. No, it doesn't. Why do you not? Why do you not? Why do you not? Why does this not work? Can I convert type Godot variant to Godot node 3D reference conversion, boxing conversion, unboxing conversion, wrapping conversion, or null type conversion? Do I? Do I? Then again, obviously, I don't even know what the frickin' heck this type is. That's the other problem that I'm running into. I want to get the freaking name. Look, I already have what I want. It collides, so I have stuff, but I want to. I will get the name of the thing I'm colliding with. No one can stop me from getting that. I am very limited by the intelligence of my time. Obviously, value is a variable value. Okay, but okay, it returns the collider, the colliding object. Okay. I'm gonna return this to how it was. I returned it to how it was. There. Happy. You are just as you were. Just as you were. Yeah, sure. Let's build you. Let's play the scene again, and let's dissect. Actually, I don't have to play it. It's right. The console's right there. I'm so freaking. Boom. Okay. We have the collider, which is building 01, static body 3D. Why can I not just do node 3D? Why can I not just do node 3D? No, I can't. I tried to make it a node 3D because this is a node 3D. Why can I not just... I want to get the name. I want to get the... I will get the name. Okay, Google Fool, let's go. C sharp... Not X, C... Godot, C sharp, get name of colliding raycast object, whatever. Maybe that's... Maybe I'll find something in here. Raycast get collider dot get what? Okay. Class name GDScript, class name error, class name blocked, and you would check. Yeah, if raycast get collider is arrow. You know what? I wanna collision B. I wanna. What do we have here? No. Obviously the space. Intersect ray. Intersect. Hmm. Hmm. Obviously, no. That's not what I'm. Because here's the thing: if I can't access the actual like values within the thing, what good is this to me? What good is this to me if I cannot properly access the values within? At least not in the way I wanted to. Like, Like, yeah, and freaking GDScript, it just freaking works because it does all kinds of like stuff in the background that I have no freaking idea how to do it. Actually, I am curious now. Okay. Intersect ray. Yes. How do you work in GDScript? From vector 3 to vector 3, yeah. Collision mask, in, collide with bodies, boolean, collide with area, boolean hit from inside, boolean hit, okay, yeah. Result, physics server 3D extension, array result, virtual. For his method, please help us control. Whoa. What? What do you? What? What? Wait. What? Collision is equal this. Yeah. Is equal intersect ray. Oh wait. I'm looking at the wrong one. I'm looking at the wrong one. Yeah. No. Let's close this. Here. This is the right one. I was looking at the wrong one. Okay. Intersects array in given space, reposition and other parameters are defined through it. They returned objects as a dictionary with the following fields. Okay, yeah, so it is exactly. Hmm. Yeah, I get it. I get the colliding object. Why? Why can I not just do? Why can I not do this? Why can I not do this? Okay, tell me why. Why can't I do this? Convert out Godot node to out Godot variant. What? Wait, is that the issue? Oh, okay, okay. So I misunderstood this shit from the get-go. That's why you said variant earlier, Narcotis, and yeah, whatever. The value of a given dictionary returns true if an entry of a given key exists in the dictionary, otherwise returns false. Returns if an entry was found for the given key. You know what? Maybe what I'm doing here. No, wait. How would I? I'm trying to get the value. Oh yeah. Okay. No. I am getting the value. I am getting the exact value, which is a dictionary of bullshit. No. It's not a dictionary. I'm sorry. It's not. It's the actual value in there. But the heck is a variant value, man? What is a variant? What is this? What is this? Go to that I just dictionaries. You declare node value. I get. Okay, look. Actually, I tried that. I tried exactly that. Where I make node value. Actually, I think I do have to make it null at least. And then I do and then I do this, and it doesn't, because the problem is that try get value needs a variant value. It doesn't want a var value. It wants a thing. You put in the collider function, it will be the collider that it hits. Wait. I think. Ah, why can I not do that? Count is to convert. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, the problem is that variant is a no. Look, the problem is that variant in itself is a type. I mean, yeah, yeah, okay, I can do this. I can do this. I can most certainly do this. Oh, wait, shit. Variant. Variant, whatever. Then, yeah, I just do like this, whatever. And over here, I just use value collider, whatever. But the problem is, my main problem that I am having, obviously, here in this freaking case. Why can I not null? Oh, it's not nullable. Oh, okay. Can I just? I don't think I can do. Wait, I can. Oh, okay, I can. Oh, okay, sure. Anyhow, this still gives me the same result I have. What is a variant? Yeah, that's a good freaking question. You know what? Let's look up. What is a variant? What is a variant? Tell me, what is a variant? Godot, tell me, what is a variant? What is a freaking variant? Okay, here. Okay, it's a class. In computer programming, a variant class is a class that's designed to store a variety of other types. So it's kind of like a not type. Dynamic programming languages like PHP, Lua, JavaScript, GDScript like to use them to store variables data on the backend. These variants properties are able to change value types freely. Yeah. Like variant is just a shorthand for var. It tracks all scripting API variables within variants without even realizing it. You use variants all the time. When a particular language enforces its own rules for keeping data type, then a language is applying its own custom language over the base. Okay. Let's. Okay. What? Wait, variant type. Functions returns a numeric value of variant type stored in the current variable. See variant type. Okay. Variant. Can be hashed, can be used to convert safely between data types, can be used as extra calling method, can be used for calls, can be stored serialized as binary and stored this, can be serialized, can be dictionaries, can be used for dictionaries, arrays, parse, okay. Containers, array, and dictionary. Both are implemented using variants. A dictionary can match any data type uses it. Just holds, okay. Also hold a dictionary and array inside, making it more flexible. Modifications to a container will modify all references. Okay. Mutex. No, there are notable differences when using the API with C Sharp. See differences to GDScript. Okay. You know what? You're sure. Let's check these. Okay. Let's see if there's variant in here. Okay, here. C Sharp variant. Okay, C Sharp variant, which is Godot.variant. Okay. There are also create form methods. I should have just looked this up the get go, but no. I should have looked up what a You see, this is why it's good to have viewers, because they point me to some very obvious things. Like, why don't you just freaking look? I mean, okay, you didn't tell me to look up what a variant is, but yeah, Godot variant is better than Godot's native variant, and a variant compatible type. I recommend using Godot variant to advantage of the sharp type, so it's possible. Converting from variant to compatible C sharp type to Godot variant can be done using those conversions. Okay, blah. Those conversions make passing variants as method arguments very convenient. For example, variant. Okay, this would be useful to me if I would know more about programming, which I do not. Int and int32. I do not know what the difference. What is the difference between an int and an int32 versus int32? I'm gonna do it. The difference between int and int32 in C sharp. What I've heard number of ints is preferred over n with no reason given. Are two really the same? Is there a reason? Two are indeed synonymous. Int will be a little more familiar looking. Int32 makes the 32 bitness more explicit to those who are reading your code. It would be inclined to use int where I just need an integer. Int where this has important cryptographic code structures. So future maintainers will know it's safe to enlarge int appropriate, but should take care changing it. Okay. It's mainly just oh, it's more than just for a thing, but yeah, whatever. Okay. It's good to know though. It's good to know. Anyhow. Variant dynamic property returns object. Oh. Yes. Yeah. Yes. This is me. Instead of continuing to read, I'm just directly going to. var value. Okay, I'm gonna call this value collider. I am going to delete this. I'm gonna go back over to calling this just variant value and equal value dot object. No way! Ah! Wait, does that mean that I can? Okay, whatever. Object with the correct value for any variant. This may be useful when a type of variant is completely unknown. However, when possible for more specific conversions, variant object value is a switch, variant type, and it may not be that else. If the result is a value type, it is boxed. For example, potential for variant as my node to throw an invalid cast exception is unacceptable. Consider using a variant as Godot object is my node and type pattern. Okay. Oh. Okay, variant as Godot. I mean, it's okay. Also, Narcode is over here is like probably writing a whole something for me to understand stuff, and I'm just coding go brrr. Okay, so oh, you're not? Okay, gotcha. Okay. Actually, wait. I'm pretty sure that I know that this will be a Node 3D. Okay, no, I do not know. Okay, actually, oh wait. Hmm. You know what? I want, yeah, print equal value collider dot get a type. Okay, what does get type turn back? Get type returns exact runtime type of the current instance. Gets type of the current instance. It's system dot type dot string. whatever. You may need to use switchers. I don't know much subscribers. Not yeah, that's good. That's it. You need to use if or such statements to figure out the type. Yeah, I probably will. I will probably have to do the following: if value collider as node 3D, which I do not think I can. Like, is it a node 3D? It should be a node 3D. Oh wait, no. Is I have to use is node 3D. There you go. Then I'm going to do what was this thing called again? It was called hit target. There you go. Hit target dot text. Yeah, there you are. Equal value collider. Oh no. Ah, where are you? Value collider dot. Wait, first, hey Ryan, welcome. Yeah, yes, sadly. Oh, okay. Actually, it just I'm not sure. Are you colliding with the node, or does the node have a collider? Okay. What it returns? Okay, what it returns is the object I collided with. So, if the node has a collider, it returns not the collider. It returns the node who the collider belongs to. Collider in this case, like if you check over here, is the actual colliding object itself. Also, talking about stuff, no longer cat. Cat Ozzy is no more. What the frickin' heck did I just do? Okay, what the frick? Okay, there you go. Okay, so apparently that's a weird thing. Huh. Casting it, no. Oh, yeah, I should try casting it. That's a good idea. But actually, okay, no. But see, this does not still. Wait. You know what? Let me check something real quick. Let me check something real quick. Node 3D Narcotis equal null. Narcotis dot name. Oh yeah, there is a name for Narcotis. So why the frickin' I kinda not? I guess I'm just going to. This equal casting node 3D. There you go. I am casting, and it has casted it. It's allowing me to cast it. Yes, yes. Thank you. I keep forgetting that I can just cast stuff. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Obviously, obviously. I keep forgetting that casting is a thing. Like, I paid attention in class. I know it's a thing. I need to just apply it more because it's so freaking useful. Also, what do you mean with no? Why you say no? I don't know if that works. Well, we will see if it works. We'll see if it works. This is this is Ozzy's backyard coding here, boys and girls. It's going to turn into it's going to do it. It's gonna do it, whether you like it or not. This it has to do it. Remove the check. You should typecast after. Okay, okay. You know that is good. I should. It is good practice. I should indeed put the thing where I do if value collider is, because I think I even did that over here. Yeah, 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 yeah. We're here as event mouse. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We're over here. I kind of like casted it as this kind of, and then over here I can I also do that over here. Can I just do as node 3D instead of like doing a cast? Oh, yeah, I can do that. Okay, well it's the same thing. Is node 3D? Yes, there you go. If it's node 3D, I'm just gonna do exactly directly this over here. Hey, right. Oh, hello. Damn, didn't know you could backseat. Back. Oh, yeah, yeah, no, no, absolutely. Also, hi there, Ray Dahlia. I think is this your first time? Is this your first time chatting? It is your first time chatting. Welcome to the stream. Hi. Okay, what I'm working on is I'm trying to turn this simple GDScript into C sharp, and I have been running into lots of issues because I am an absolute noob with C sharp. And yes, yes, Narcotis here is doing a great job at backseat at backseating code. Okay, okay, let's see if this works, because yeah, we made the Valley Collider as no 3D, and we then check if it's no 3D. Yes, then do this. Yeah. You know what? I should probably put an else here. Yeah, let's put an else here. Else. Yep. Something went wrong. Bucko. Oh, 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 there you go. Ah, gotta love inline ifs and else's. No, no, GDScript is nice. I'm mainly just training C sharp. Like, the main reason I am, like, I do want to code everything I do in Godot and C sharp, which, it's a pain, but this way at least, I can apply C sharp to everywhere else. I can't do it with GDScript. Because, I don't know, like, for whatever reason, the day of tomorrow, I do not use GDScript anymore. I am knowledgeable in C sharp, which will help me in other stuff, right? Also, if I recall correctly, GDScript has indentation as part of its syntax, and I already had a rant of that about that earlier. I can't explain it, but programming languages where indentation is part of the syntax it just grinds my gears. I'm a little weird like that. But yeah, I mean, besides that, GDScript is nice. Like, I do like the ease of use of a lot of. There's a short book I could recommend you. Like, call call the C sharp yellow book by Rob Mile. Okay, okay, C sharp yellow book. I'll check it out then. Gives you a lot of basic. Good, okay, good to know. Good to know. I'll keep that in mind. I'll keep it in mind. I will look that up. C sharp yellow book by what's his name now? By Rob Miles. I'm not gonna check the view. There you go, by Rob Miles. Okay, robmiles.com. Okay, okay, I'll check that out on my time. Oh, oh, I love. You know what I love about coding? about coding books. They just have the most random covers. You know, they just have the most. I love that they just have the most random covers in existence. I love that. I love that. Like, look at this. C# programming, light yellow book. It's just a slice of cheese. I love that. How can I not love that? Okay, okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see if this works. Let's see if this works. Let's see if this works. It does! Yes! You missed, Lamau. It works! Yes! All I had to do was look at the documentation for variant in C#. That is all I had to do. Look, so many things, so many yes, geez, so many programming issues can be solved by just looking at documentation. Do you know how many problems? Do you know, like while doing C# and Godot, how I've been like spending like an hour trying to figure something out until the idea comes to my mind. How about I look up documentation? And the moment I do, I find a solution. Almost as if documentation is there for a reason. Wow. 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 Also, I do not know if I just got. Oh, actually, I was talking with a friend the other day, uh, talking about why I prefer using Godot over Unreal Engine. And the main reason, now that I recall, is actually because, okay, either I am just terrible at finding documentation, but I just had such a hard time finding good documentation on anything in Unreal Engine. Maybe I just did not know where to look. Maybe I just had no idea where to look, but I just couldn't find shit when looking stuff up for Unreal Engine. Whereas in Godot, I find documentation freaking everywhere. Like it's hard to escape documentation in Godot. Godot, whatever you want to call it. I call it Godot. Yay! But yeah, the main thing I've been doing is just going for Ray Dahlia. Next Call of Duty. I doubt it. I doubt it, Ray. No, no. What I'm actually doing is just there's this very neat site called okay, here home. This thing. It's Godot recipes. Kids can code. Kids can code at Godot recipes. It has a bunch of recipes in Godot and GDScript. You know, like a bunch of like very like very nice little, very concise little things. This is where I made my basic FPS character. I based it off of this. So what I'm doing here is, and also I haven't used Godot in a while, so I need to shake off rust. So the main reason I'm using this is obviously learn how some things can be done, learning some functionality here and there, but also learning more C# and how to do things in C#. Well, how to do GDScript things in C#. Because I'm a madman and I decided to just use mainly C#. Instead of just trying to look for like instead of just looking for a way to just use C++. I'm not proficient in C++ by any means, but yeah. Yeah, okay, yeah, that is fair. There's more for that. Call of Aussie, mother VTuber fair. No VTubers. Shut up. I'm not a VTuber. I'm not a VTuber. Shut up. Okay, next thing. I want to try this thing, or at least, well, not completely this thing. I will do aspects of this thing. That is what I will do. I will do aspects of this arcade style airplane, but not all of them, because I do like the idea of being able to take off. Obviously, I also like that. I also like obviously like the up and down. I like that. Then again, I already made a plane, and I had a lot of pain making that plane. I was going nuts, on a stream because I had to deal with Euler angles, and Oh man. But yeah, I might as well show you my amazing, ultra great plane. Whee! Yeah. Oh shit, this thing's very fast. This shit's very responsive. Like it's not great, but it's neat. And yeah, yeah, there's no collision with the ground. Whee! But yeah, this was very fun to code. Nyum. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, I even have a working bearing and altimeter. Huh, that's neat. But yeah, obviously, what I want to do now is actually look into this tutorial. Oh wait, wait. Oh yeah, I even have a camera change. I forgot about that. And yes, it's a freaking flying Pringles can. Anyhow, back to this little thing over here. Yes, yes, that is a flying Pringles Pringles can. Yes, it is a Pringles can. And as placeholder, Pringles are good. Although I prefer Lay's. At least here in my country, Lay's are better. Lay's are better in my experience than thing. Okay, okay, let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of the main. We are going to make a new scene. Yay, new scene, new scene. New scene. Gonna have a 3D node. We're going to call this. Oh, what was that again? What was that again? That's oh, thanks for a follow, Radalia. Really appreciate that. Thank you. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. There it is. There it is. Nice. Thank you, man. Okay, just gotta make a quick and dirty. Wait, wait, wait. Didn't I have some environments, buildings? Oh, okay. That's all I had. Okay, yeah, yeah. No, no. I just had. Wait, level. Okay, UI elements. No, 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 no. Graphics. Okay, here in graphics, models, environments. Kenny Suburban. There you go. Here we are. Here we are. Path. Nope. Yes, delete that. No. Okay, we're gonna call this airspace. Airspace scene. Yeah, I am very creative. I could just make it a. Also, thank Kenny for his stuff. He's great. Might have to. Let me look at Kenny's stuff real quick. Kenny assets. Let's see if there's any like little environmental stuff I can just like quickly plop in. And if not, big ol' plane, as in a square also works. I can just plop in some buildings here and there. That also works. Mini market, prototype kit. I need to look into this because that looks like useful for some prototyping at least. Oh, that will definitely be useful for some pro. Have I looked into this bit? I think I have looked into this. Like this is good for some prototyping. I should definitely use this. I'm done with this. Yes, I will continue with that donating. I feel bad. You know what? I have yet to donate to Kenny. I need to donate at some point. Is there anything interesting here? Actually, I think I already have this tower defense kit somewhere. I'm just gonna use it. I'm just gonna use a normal thing. I know, no. Oh wait. Wait. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. I do have exactly 2 games. Both are in not great state. I wouldn't recommend them, but if you want to give them a look, feel free. I'm Ozzy the One on itch.io. One of them is a horror game made in Godot. Very, very short horror game that I made together with a buddy for a game jam. Yeah, you can try it out. This is very short. It's very short. The other one is an RPG Maker game, which I fumbled a lot of it at the end. I fumbled a lot, messed up a lot of things near the end, and uploaded that like 2 minutes before the deadline. Okay, I guess I could use the platformer kit. Or I just use the thing I have right now. Whatever. Whatever, this is fine, this is fine, this is fine. We're good, we're good, we're good. But yeah, no. Look, if you want to play a good game, you should look up Narcotis on itch.io. He has a game called The Looming Spire, which is an RPG Maker game that is absolutely brilliant. You are doing a disservice to yourself if you do not play that. Like, that thing is a 10 out of 10 recommendation from me. You have to play it. Actually, yeah, look, I'm just gonna. The Looming Spire. Looming Spire? Okay, here you are, here you are, here you are. There. Here it is. The Looming Spire. By Narcotis. Okay, I'm not following. There, now I'm following Narcotis. Check it out. You want to play my games? My library, I think it is, right? No, it's not my library. It's not my library. Game jams? Dashboard? Yep. Dashboard? Oh, I also have Stay Inside here. Damn, I forgot that. That also exists. Oh, I need to. I need to give that an overlook. But yeah. Yeah, you can give them a play. You're gonna get disappointed by the shortness and the potential. Do not quote me on that. Do not quote me on that. Anyhow, let's get back. Let's get back to the thing. Let's get back to the thing. In turns, it does look natural. Airplanes bank when they turn, so let's animate. Yeah, no, I do not like. I mean, yeah, no. Look. Actually, you'd be surprised. Planes actually can turn like sideways like that. That's called yawing. But obviously, we don't want to do that. We actually wanted to. And again, I don't think. Okay. Oh, wait. Get action strength. Okay. I can make a yaw thing. Okay. Let's get ourselves. Okay, actually, let's go to itch.io. Let's go to itch and just find ourselves like a simple like little plain, plain thing. Where are you? Where are you? Browse as. I want to browse assets. Thank you very much. I don't think there's a plain asset. Well, plain tag. I guess 3D, and vehicles. That's probably where I'm going to find something. Also, I have this truck. I'm using this truck in that horror game. It's a very nice truck model. I recommend it. Wait, I think I even bought. Wait, is this buy only? Is this buy only? I think it is buy only. I bought it. Is it buy only? I think it is. I think yeah. I think I should. Hey Ellie, how you doing? Okay, just give me a basic plane so I don't have to make another Pringles flying can. Tiny plane asset pack or planes and choppers. Oh, this one looks neat. You know, I'm just gonna make another. I'm just gonna make another Pringles flying can. That's what I'm gonna do. Why am I being picky with just choosing a? Why am I being picky with just choosing like a random plane model that I'm like a throwaway plane model that I'm going to use? Also, whichever one I download, obviously I'm going to shout out that creator because it's only fair. I'm using their stuff. Why am I so big? Yes, let's use a B-29 bomber. Why not? It is indeed me. How are you doing tonight, Ellie? I found that on itch.io there really aren't that many. Oh, I was just looping. Oh, no, I'm not supposed to. Oh, Avengers to bus. Oh, oh, I hate the look of this plane. Why does it have things over there? I mean, I know it's like. Okay, whatever, whatever. Okay, I'm not here to nitpick. I'm not here to nitpick. Just. I could just use a tank to fly around. Why not? Why am I being picky? Just pick a random plane, Ozzy. Why are you being picky? You know what? Here, there. This is our airplane now. Ah, it's all okay. It's not free. Okay, okay. Shit. Uh, it looks very nice though. Oh, hello. What's this? Okay. Okie dokie. You can use this. Is it free? Yes, it is. Wait. Model is made from quads and two trays. More information. Okay. Okay. Shout out to Brunozva. Brunozva. Brunozva? Brunozva. Sample project, by the way. Sample project? What do you mean sample project? Sample pro. What? Oh! Yeah, there is a sample project over here that I can download. But I don't want to. I am a difficult person. Okay, let's download this. Let's get that where we have to. I just. There you go. Do this real quick. Okay, let's get this back on the road. There you are. Now, where are we? Over here. Here, and then let's do. Actually, no, 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 no. It's over here. Let's see what is in here. Okay, it's an FBX. That's good. I get. Wait, can I use FBX in thing? I don't recall. Let's see. I think yes. Graphics, models, environments, items. Let's add a vehicles thing. Vehicles. There you go. Hey, there you go. Let's see if that. It's doing its magic. It's doing stuff. There you go. Okay. Can I? I can. Okay. Obviously, obviously I need the textures. No. What am I? I am made of stupid. I am made of a lot of stupid. That is what I am. Okay, so you know what? No, no, no. You know what? I'm gonna call this airplane. Yeah, airplane controller. There you go. I'm gonna call this beauty. We're going to move this thing right on over here. Make local. There you go. We are going to make this. There you go. Go away. Yes. View. You. Okay. Can I just? Oh. Oh. Metallic. Height. Base color. Yeah. Where the frickin' heck is? Oh, there you go. Surface material override. Yeah, let's just do this. Hey, nice. There you go. Now we have a plane. There, perfect. 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 Okay, let's actually position this at 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 to see what we're working with. Okay, let's actually move this forward. Right over here. Yeah, this is fine. 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 Very fine. Very good. Very good. Okay. No, we're going to attach a script. We are going to call it airplane. Actually, no. Let's check real quick what I named my stuff over here. I named it that way. Okay. I'll follow that convention over here. I do this. Yay. It's C sharp. Yay. Oh, geez, that's gotta be C sharp. And here it's no 3D. Yeah, sure. Okay. Haha. Hmm. You know what? Funnily enough, I could make the plane model independent, but that is not important right here. That like, I'm thinking way too ahead of myself. No, what I need to do now is I need to look at cheese. Here. Look at this over here. Right. Yeah. Because I do like what it's doing here with the. Oh, extends character body 3D. Oh yeah, I would want to make this a character body 3D, wouldn't I? Okay, let's change the type here. Change type, character body 3D. Character body 3D. There you go. Boom. Yeah, that makes sense. We would want it to be character body 3D. Yes, I know. You want the collision shape. Mesh. Create collision shape. Sibling. Oh, that's a. You know what? I guess. What's your problem? There. No, wait. What's your freaking problem now? And use your collision concave collision shape is intended to work with static collision, not like static body 3D. Okay. I'm just going to give you. Wait, you want the collider, right? Yes, you want the collider. Okay, I will just give you collision shape 3D, and it's going to just be a freaking pill. There you go. Can I just make it a little like over there, and then like this? There you go. There. Now you have your collision shape. Be happy now. Use Blender before? I have no. I have not. I have used it exactly once and with very, very precise explanations. No, I absolutely do need to look into learning Blender so I can do a lot of like 3D stuff adjustments on my own. I just haven't spent the time to do that yet, but I absolutely should. Different priorities. Different priorities. That's the problem. It saves scene as scenes, characters, airplane controller, yes. There you go. Okay, so now back to the code. Wait, is this over? No, it's not over. It's just silent right now. Oh, it's a freaking Kashi jump scare. Okay, minimum flight speed, max flight speed. Okay, turn speed, pitch speed, level speed. I will turn. This will be yaw speed. Pitch speed, yes. Level speed, throttle change. Oh, thanks, throttle level speed. Ah, where do we use that? Well, I will see. Throttle delta acceleration. Throttle change speed. Okay, I need to look at the acceleration if I want to do make a little more if I want to improve my own plane. Current speed, target speed, and grounded fall. Let's change behavior when grounded. You know what? I should actually do something fun over here and add like a little like thing if I'm grounded. If I want to do that. Hmm. Okay, I'm thinking too far ahead. I'm thinking too far ahead. Think in the now. Think in the now. My mind is going 100 miles per hour. Also, only 30 more minutes, and then I'm gonna call it quits for streaming. So let's make this worth it. Let's make this worth it. Okay, so we're using all of these. For crying out loud. There. Okay, we're gonna use min flight speed, max flight speed. Yeah, we're gonna make those exports. It's gonna be an export category. Let me check again. Export group, export category, player values, basic values. Yes, that's what it is. Export category. I have the brain of a goldfish. There you go. Yep. Plain value. What's that? Previous rating with the party. Oh shit. Oh damn, a raid. Thank you, Revere. I really appreciate that. Thank you for the raid. Oh crap. Is that a follow? I think that is a follow. That's a follow. Hey, thanks for following, man. Really appreciate that. Hey, hi. How you doing? Welcome to the stream. Really appreciate it. I hope I hope you're having a good one. Wait, how do I see what you were doing? I am a big noob. How do I see what you were doing? I don't know. I'm a big yes I'm doing C# in Godot. It's fun. It's painful, but it's also very fun. I'm learning a lot about C# as well. Multiplayer space game. Oh shit, that sounds cool. That sounds sick. That sounds pretty cool. And yeah, no, absolutely. Yeah, and yeah, no, I'm all about like sharing the C# love. Although I am a big noob. Again, I really appreciate the raid, man. Okay, now what was I doing? Right now, in the midst of looking at all these GDScript tutorials and trying to translate them all to C#, to learn C#, learn how to do things in C#, well, do GDScript things in C#, you know, learn their equivalent, so that if I find any other tutorials, I can just, in my mind, translate that on the go. I should probably make some of these things available as well, because why not? Although I should then also comment them out more. I am terrible at commenting. Anyhow, let's carry on then. Export group. Do I need an export category? Just call it. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Let's just do this as well. Basic values. There you go. And then we make an export, which will be environment flight speed. No, I'm gonna make that an int. What are these C# conventions again? C# conventions are that I give it uppercase. There you go, uppercase. Right. Yeah. Makes sense. Also, I probably should make these properties. Oh, it must be similar, thankfully, other than some nuance. Yeah. Well, other than some nuances. I'll show you. I'll show you nuances. Okay, so what I was fighting with a few moments ago was specifically this. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Here, shooting with raycasts. Here, like, do you see this? All of this. You know, this is just like GDScript. Super easy. Super easy. I mean, it is easy. Like, now that I know everything, it's easy. I'm making it sound like way more complicated than it is. And yeah, this is. I had to. Okay, actually, wait. Okay, I can get rid of this. This was just for testing. But yeah, no. Obviously, I had to do. Okay, it's not really that much more complicated. Like, if you know what you're doing. Okay, ignore me. Ignore me. I'm being dumb. I'm being dumb. Ignore me. It's really not that complicated. It was just me. Well, okay, it is a little more complicated. I can't just do collision of collided with name. I had to. Oh, for crying out loud, I had to actually cast it, and then I could get the name. But you don't even know what I'm doing here, so you don't even have a. Ignore me. Ignore that. Actually, let's... to save there? I think there is. Minimum flight speed. Boom. I should make that a property. How do I make properties again? Property, 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 property. Oh, okay. I just make it. I could just make it export, and I can give it a property hint range. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. No, we don't know what happened. That public float speed. Let's see. Hmm. Actually, it's only if I do this. I don't have to do that if I do the other thing. Never mind. Never mind. We're just gonna make it. We're just gonna make it normal stuff here. Okay, where was I? Let's just get this over with, because I'm not gonna be on for that much longer. Here, airplane. Here. May I? Don't go full schizo over C sharp. Okay, okay, wait. Oh, wait. So let me guess. You people know each other? I take it that Ray, you know Revere. He's welcome to go full schizo. I welcome it. I'll probably regret saying that, but yes, I do. Maximum flight speed. Okay, I guess I could just go with these provisionary values as the thing. Nah, first time here both. Oh, okay, gotcha. I mean, yeah. I know it's both of you first time on my stream, but you could have known each other outside of stream. Okay, export. Yeah, I'm gonna make this another. Oh no, that's going to be a float. 0.75 f. No, it's dumb. There we go. Turn speed. Oh, 0.7 f, right? There you are. Yes, we have a bunch of raiders. Welcome here. Okay, pitch speed, level speed. Wait, pitch speed. No. That needs a different name. That needs a different name. That is going to be. Yaw speed. Because we're gonna use yaw and pitch separately, not do it as one thing as this tutorial does. Because I do not like that flight model at all. It's a flight model that I detest. Export. Level speed. Level speed. Oh yeah. The leveling. Okay, yeah. Oh yeah, I do need to add that as well. I'm just gonna make it different. 3.0, yeah, we can do that. Throttle delta and acceleration. Okay. Export. Do I want the throttle delta to be a float? Now we can make it an int. If we have to change it to a float, we can easily change that. Whoa! That's a name. Squinky Funkle. Hello, salute, Vadiad boys. Hey, how you doing? Welcome to the stream. I hope you're having I hope you're having a wonderful evening, day, whatever time of day it is for you. Well, the title is self-explanatory, and the tags are also self-explanatory. I'm a big noob, still trying to figure out a lot of things. So yeah, just come along for the ride. Let's make another export. Actually, wait, do I? Yeah. I do want to export all of these. 07/06/2025. Oh, yeah. So you're one day ahead. Oh, 12 Newfoundland time. Oh, Newfoundland, that is Canada. That is Canada, right? Hi there, my Canadian compatriot. LBR, if you're here, there's a Canadian here. Neat. So it's good morning to you. Oh, that's good. It's good evening. It's good evening. It's good evening. It's still good evening, although technically morning. Anyhow, let's just carry on. Let's not get distracted. Yes. Acceleration. Acceleration. Okay, these seem to be private. I like to put the private stuff outside any of this. So yeah, private int forwards. Also, am I correct in that? That is how. That is how that is, right? If I check over here again, API differences. Yeah. No, wait. Not API differences. I wanted to look up conventions. What are the conventions again? I do like to. Okay, here's a style guide. Naming conventions. Yes. So if I remember correctly, privates you put just things in front, like local variables, typical variables, other considerations. What? Naming conventions using spaces. Hmm? Wait. Yeah, exactly. Private. Yeah, private uses an underscore in front. That's the convention, and I shall follow it. They're there for a reason. We like our conventions. Or do we not? Anyhow. A wild Canadian, yes, a wild Canadian appears. Also, none of you are ever gonna. I say that. I say that none of you are gonna guess where I'm from, but I'm pretty sure that my Twitch bio has where I'm from. So me saying that doesn't really. It kind of breaks the mystery because it makes you instantly start looking for it, and yeah, whatever. Never mind. It's no fun. It's no fun if it's not a mystery. Right. Private property. Forward speed. Forward speed is that going? You know what? Let's make it a float. Let's make it a float just to be safe, because you can load ints into floats, but you cannot not load floats into ints. Uh, target speed. Target speed. Why do I want a target speed? Well, I need to look at some at the actual code to know what the heck I'm doing. Grounded false. Do I want that? Do I want the grounded? Yeah, sure. Do I want grounded to be a private? Yeah, we're gonna make it a private. Private boolean grounded. It's going to be false. It's going to start as false. There you go. And we also have turn input and pitch input. I guess this would also be privates. Wait. Okay, actually let me look up where turn input is used. Okay, yeah, I guess those would simply just be. Oh, okay, yeah. Those are just ints in this case. Are they ints? Input.get access. Pretty sure it is. Let me check real quick over here. Input.get get. Oh, for crying out loud. Okay, I'm gonna put you in a freaking function. There, happy? Okay. Input.get access. What are you? What are you? What are you? What are you? You are string. String. Okay. Oh yeah, that does make. Wait. What does get access do? Wait. Get access. Specific actions, one negative, one positive. This is shorthand for writing. Oh right, yeah. Get access input specific. Okay, yeah, but what does it return? This is shorthand for writing input that get action strength positive action minus. Okay. So yeah. I guess it's just an. I guess I can just use an int. I guess I can just use an int in this case. Okay. We like our type stuff. Doing the types properly. And turn. Oh. No. This is the yaw input because we do not have pitch yet. Well, we do not have. Yeah, we do not have pitch. Wait, turn input and pitch input. Wait, turn speed. Speed. Oh, I am stupid. Okay, I'm stupid. Pitch we already have. We don't have turn. We have yaw. That's what we have over here. Okay, here you are going to be yaw speed, and you down here are going to be pitch. There you go. We do not yet have roll. What would I call the roll? Yeah, I guess I could make roll the same as export. Oh no, wrong. Public float. Roll speed, and we're going to make it also the same, just 0.5. There you are. Perfect. Okay. I guess we can just use the left, right, dot. Okay, we need arrows. We need yaw left and yaw right. Map. Yaw right. Yaw right. There you are. Or I could also just call it this. Y right and Y left. Yeah, that works. It's easier to type out. I'm lazy. Keyboard keys. Right. Where's? There you go. Right. Okay. And now we add Y left. Let's just actually call it. Give it a proper name. It's only appropriate. We want this shit to be readable. Never lays out on variable names. You're gonna regret it later on, unless you are a commenting genius. Okay, yaw left and yaw right. Great. Left, right, yaw left, yaw right. Okay. Okay, there you go. Good. Oh, we could use space for throttle. Okay. Let's do this. Let's do the thing. Let's get back over here. Let's do this stuff. Yeah, we have all this set up. Get input. Okay, so first of all, we use get input. Okay. No. I am an idiot. That is a function. That is a function that is being made. That's not an existing function. I'm dumb. Wait, is it? Let's read it. This function captures input. Increasing, decreasing. Get input. Yes. Okay. Get input. It's gonna get delta, whatever the heck delta is. No freaking idea. Actually, what is delta going to be in this case? A float? Or is it gonna be a double? Hmm. Good freaking question. Good freaking question. I guess we could. I mean, if we're using delta from somewhere else, I'm probably just gonna convert it over to float anyhow. Well, cast it to float anyhow. So yeah, whatever. Just gonna make it a float. Do I make it a double? Nah, this is good. This is okay. It's okay. Does this work as comment? No, that doesn't. Delta is time between frames, so yeah, okay, yeah. I do know that delta is the time between frames, but in this case, I am making a function, and wait, making a function. Double delta. Yeah, no, yeah. It's just a parameter. I guess I could make it a double delta, and then later on, just you know what? Let's just do good practice and make it a double delta because that's what the engine likes to use. So let's use a double delta. And then obviously like this function we give the actual delta later on. Yeah. Okay. Okie dokie. If input dot is action pressed? Is action pressed? Ta-ta. Wait, no, it's not. Wait, my action's not throw left. My action is forward. Crying out loud. Let's see. Left, right, forward, back. Okay, yeah, there you go. Left, right, forward, back. Okay. Yep. If forward. Actually, wait. Can we put this in an inline? We can, but we're not. We're gonna keep it this way. Target speed equal minimum of minimum. Wait. Minimum. Do we do math dot minimum? Math dot minimum? Yes, there you go. Math dot minimum of forward speed plus throttle delta. Wait. Okay, actually, what are we doing? Wait. I'll actually read what we're doing here. Okay, this function covers them, but no, it's increasing throttle and changes target speed, not the actual speed. Yeah, because we're doing like a slow acceleration to the speed, which is absolutely something I want because the plane accelerates. Look, I've played a lot of Ace Combat. I know what a plane should feel like. I think I have the basics done in my head on how you would do that. I probably don't. I'm talking out of my ass here. Alright, target speed, minimum forward speed with throttle times delta and max flight speed. Okay, yeah, we picked a minimum between these two. Right, yeah, because that's the target speed. Right, yeah. If we always picks the minimum, max flight speed is always going to be the maximum we can reach. Okay, yeah, makes sense. Okay, I get it. I understand it. Throttle delta max flight speed. Okay. I get it. I understand. My brain functions. Times delta here, and then we do maximum float speed. No, it's not float speed, it's flight speed. There you are. Maximum flight speed. No, not steam. It's delta done times delta. Yeah. I guess it's just screaming at me because I'm not doing this yet. No, it's not screaming because of me. Minimum requires 2 doubles. Okay. Can I implicitly convert double to float? An explicit conversion exists. Okay, I need to double. And I guess I need to. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay. No, that's not a problem. The problem over here is the fact that I turned this into a double. If I turn this into a float, there you go. Now it works. Yeah, I can do that, and then within the actual function, I just cast delta to down to float. Yeah, that works. That works for me. Okay, this is forward. Oh. Now over here we have the throttle down, right, backwards. Var limit. Okay, yeah, so if grounded, else min flight speed. Okay, yeah, 0 if grounded, yeah, makes sense. Limit equals 0 if grounded, else min flight. Oof. Ooh, okay. 0 if grounded, else min flight speed. Okay, yeah. So this is an int. Well, not an int. Yeah, we can keep it a var. Vars are fine. Vars are very fine within stuff. Var limit. You know what? Yeah. I am gonna do 0. No. I can't do it just exactly like that because I need the if first. Okay, wait. What is a minimum flight speed in this case? Minimum flight speed is an int. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, we can do that. Okay, so if grounded equal true, Then we do... Then we do limit equals 0. I said 0. What the heck are you doing? There you go. Exactly. Oh, right. Yeah. What the heck am I doing there? This is not SQL. Okay. I'm gonna do this. There. Why are you not happy with this? Okay, what are you screaming at? Run limit is assigned, but its value is never used. No, that is not true. Else, limit equal minimum flight speed. Okay, there. Now it will be used no matter what. Okay, gotcha. Gotcha, yeah. IDEs are great. IDEs are great. IDEs, is that what you call it in English? I think it is. Okay, turn, roll, yeah, input, okay, yeah, we just get these inputs, but, oh, wait, yeah, then target speed equal max, okay, max of forward speed minus throttle delta times delta and limit. Okay, what exactly are we doing here? We are picking the max, we're picking the maximum of these two. One is forward speed minus throttle delta. Oh, yeah, this is throttle down, like, obviously. Okay. Oh, yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. We're picking the max. Yeah. Perfect. Okay, I get the idea. Max Verstappen. Oh, I forgot a thing. Well, I am going to keep end limit all the way outside. I am gonna... over here? Do I keep it? No. I'm gonna put it all the way at the top. Over here. There you go. Then now we have if... oh crap, I need to move all of this shit one thing further. Input is action pressed. Backward, there you go. No, that's not an Enya, I want this, there you go. There you go. And now I continue with other thing, which is essentially, wait, target speed? Yeah. Target speed equal math dot maximum between wait, was it forward speed? Forward speed minus 3. Yeah, there you go, yeah. I could just copy paste this whole thing over here. Let's do a minus and minimum flight speed, obviously. No. Limit, because we decided limit on whether the plane is grounded or not. Wait, here, limit. There you go. Yay! Alright, and what is with all this extra space over here? Bizarre. Yeah, that should be all the going up and down when it comes to the get input. At least... wait. Ah, no. I also need to do left, right. Left, right, and yaw. Turn, roll, yaw. Yeah, I am going to... throttle, forward, backwards, input. Now over here, we get yaw input, then we have the roll input, and we have the pitch input. Okay, first the yaw input. Huh. This is not yet stuck in my brain. Turn input equal input axis. Roll right, roll left. Right. Yaw input. Oh, yaw input equal. Sorry, what? Input dot get access. Oh, okay. Input dot get access between your left, and your right. No. Yes. Hmm. String name, string name. Oh, right. This piece of shit. How did I do this again? There was a way to do this. Something that... Okay, okay, here's a pro tip. Like an actual... Like, I know, an actual pro tip from a noob. That's impressive, I know. Let me just look up real quick. I have it somewhere. I have it somewhere over here. I have to open a very specific code. So the way Godot works, okay, at least I think it's mainly in C sharp. I think it's mainly with C sharp that this happens. Um, Whenever you get any input, you get a string name, and usually what the engine does is it transforms well not transforms, it casts the string name to string, like there in the moment. So every single time you do like 100 different inputs, it does 100 little conversions from string name to string or something. Yeah, something along those lines, if I recall correctly, or the other way around, from string. No, it does from string to string name, I think. Anyhow, the thing is, it does a conversion there, which, of course, in a smaller project doesn't really do much, but if you're not careful and have a bunch of inputs, it can lead to lag. And I do not recall where I saw a YouTube video on it that talked about this. I do not recall the name of of that YouTube channel, nor the YouTube. Oh yeah, of the YouTube channel, which is too bad. Otherwise, I would point you to that guy. Let me just overhear you. Let me look at your code real quick. Where I have... Okay, here, string... Yeah, there you go, there you go. I transformed... Yeah, there you go. Cache the inputs in order to save memory by waiting constant conversions from string to string. Yeah, there you go, there you go. Yeah. So what we're doing here is we're essentially caching this, then we're just using move left. There you go. There you go. Oof. Where did I put that? I put that all the way at the end of everything, right? Yeah, I did put that at the end of everything. Okay. You know, I'm just gonna copy this exact same comment here. I do not recall the exact details. And you could look it up yourself, but in certain cases, this will save you, this will save you up on precious resources. Which obviously, yes, usually you optimize later on, but I always do this at the start because it's super easy to it's super easy to code. Like it's really not any problem or anything. Okay, let's do this then. Left, there you go. And yeah, and now then I just use the string names, which yes. Okay, so I need 6, I think, in total. No, actually, I need a few more. Wait, is action pressed? Is action pressed uses a string name? Yeah. For example, here, as you can see, this action pressed uses a string name. Uh, but what Godot does, I think, actually, I wonder if it's C sharp or Godot that does it. Anyhow, you input a string, obviously, but Godot transforms it like right over there. Well, converts it. Converts it? What's the term here? Cast it? Casts it to string. Whatever, casts it to string, like conversion. Yeah, converts like to string right there whenever you do it. And you can save on that little if you just cache all these things at the start. Am I explaining myself? I hope I am. But yeah, that's the only pro tip this noob knows, which I think it's a pro tip. I want to believe it's a pro tip. No, what am I doing? That's the wrong button. I pressed. There you go. Right now we're gonna do move up. No, move forward. That's what we're gonna call this. Move forward. Pro tip, Mister. Don't you sass me, boy. Don't you sass me. Uh, you see. This is the fun thing about streaming. You can get sassed by random people on the internet. You know, I'm just gonna call this backward. Actually, I could call this throttle back. But we are going to call it throttle. Throttle up, throttle down. Yeah, there you go. Also, we are approaching end of stream. I am slow. I am very slow. I am very, very slow. Okay, but at least I remember backward. Is it backward or is it backwards? I think it's backward, right? Let's see. Let's see over here. Backward, 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 backward. Back. Okay, it's just back. It's just back. Max Verstappen. Sorry, that's just stuck in my head right now. For any Formula One watchers, you'll know what that is. That's always just stuck in my head right now. Yeah, I'm gonna call this roll left and roll right. Then we're going to have yaw left and yaw right. And then I need to make two more. Yaw right, which is going to be big surprise. Yaw left and yaw right. Wow. Oh wait, I prefed yaw right. Okay, and then we still also have what now? We have pitch up and pitch down. That right. Oh, wait a minute. 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 Wait. I just realized a major issue here. Right. No. This is pitch down. Wait. Pitch up is back, and pitch down is forward. Because I use actual proper control schemes here. Right. We need to change this. I'm gonna change this to shoot. And we need an extra control here now. Also I can X this now. Which means I can also X this. Okay, we need another input. Input. For crying out loud, why are you... What? No, don't die on me now, Godot! Okay, there you are. Okay, so we have space, which is jump. Oh, wait. Jump and shoot. Okay, wait, no, jump. Okay. I'm gonna use crouch? I have this. Space. I could use forward, backwards over here. Gas. I want... Actually, you know what? I could use... I am gonna make throttle up and throttle left its own thing. I'm gonna do that. I can do that. You can stop me. None of you can stop me. There you go. Okay, nice. Now let's get over here and let's turn this into throttle up and throttle down, which should be the up and down keys. And now we will use the string names directly, so that our beautiful little engine does not need to do input conversions all the damn time. It only does it once when creating the object, and done. Perfect. Beautiful optimization. I'm way too full of myself. Although I do not know why it is doing this thing over here. You know, watch me do all this and not solving whatever the problem here is. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, input. Wait, what does this return? Is this a cannot implicitly convert type float to int? Oh, yeah, input is a. Oh, okay. So they have to be. So these have to be floats. Okay. I see. So these have to be floats. Okay, good. I love how I thought I. The problem was something. It's past midnight. Okay. Cut me some slack. At least, look. At least you might have learned something. At least you might have learned something. Oh wait, I also need to add a roll input over here. Max Verstappen. Oh, also, let's do this properly. There you go. There you are. That's the proper way to do it. Okay, here we're going to use roll left and roll right. Okay, but it's using right and then left. That should not be. It's not gonna give us an issue, is it? Maybe it will, maybe it won't. And if it does, we can easily fix it. So whatever. Oh no, not yaw input. This is gonna be roll input. There you go. Why are you doing that? Oh, that's why you're doing that. You're case sensitive. Whoop. Okie dokie. And throttle input. No, you do. You do exist. Oh, no. Pitch input. Oh, right, yeah, we already have the throttle. Okay. I'm tired. I need to. Um. Yes. Pitch down, and over here we're gonna do pitch up, 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 pitch up. Yay! Yay! No, wrong thing. Wrong tab over here. Left, pitch down, pitch up. Okay. Okay. Do it in physics. Yeah, physics is fine. Physics process. What's the difference between physics process and physics? The physics process, the first lerping, the speed towards it. Lerping? What does that mean? What does lerping mean? Lerp. Meaning. Programming, yes. Someone explain lerp. Oh, linear interpolation. That's what that means. Right, okay. I was so familiar with the term. Now I know. I will forget it again tomorrow. Okie dokie. Huh. Okay, all of this in the get input. Now we're going to do not ready. We are going to do our good old public override void physics process. There you go. Ain't you beautiful? Ain't you a beautiful little thing? Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do delta equal float delta. There you go. Because that's going to make things easier. Lerping. Yes, we're just lerping. Just lerping around. And then we're going to do get input. We're going to give it delta. Hey, ain't that be? Oh, not delta. Delta. Why are you screaming at me? Why are you screaming at me? equal to, but I'm there. Are you happy now? There, done. Easy, 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 easy. Okay, so what are we? What else are we doing here? What else are we doing here? We are doing okay. Accelerate, decelerate, accelerate, decelerate. All right, sure. Accelerate, accelerate, decelerate. What exactly are we doing here? Decelerate, yeah. Decelerate. Okay, forward speed equal lerp. Yeah, linear interpolation. Okay, that's probably math. Linear interpolation. Linear interpolation float. Forward speed, target speed, acceleration delta. Okay, so we move from forward speed to target speed. What is our forward speed? Wait, what is our forward speed again? Our forward speed is yes, our forward speed is 0. Okay, yeah. So we're going from what our current forward speed is to the target speed by acceleration. Okay, I get it. I get it. Knowledge acquired. Knowledge acquired. I get it. Yeah, forward speed equal math dot no. No, not math. Not math dot okay, math f dot linear lerp, just lerp. Okay, yeah, just lerp. That's how it is because we're using math float, so it's only lerp. And then this one's three things, which is forward speed, yep, and target speed, yep, and that one's acceleration. Oh yeah, acceleration is like this own thing times delta. Why are you screaming at me? Okay, why are you screaming at me? Why are you screaming at me? Why are you screaming at me? What can I do? Why are you screaming at me? Explicitly convert double to float. Explicit conversion. Okay, wait, where is it? Where is it? Forward speed. Okay, yeah, forward speed. Okay, kind of double to float. So I need to turn this into this. No. Double. No. Okay, what is your problem here? Can I implicitly convert double to float? There. See, this is why you just turn freaking. How do we do it in our project again? I think it should be as easy as just delta equal float delta, right? Why does that not work? Why not? Because I am taking delta. What am I just calling? I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna. Okay. You know what? Here, var f delta equal this. There. Happy? Now we're just gonna use f delta. There you go. There you go. Now we don't need to always convert it everywhere. There. Easy. Easy solution. Easy freaking solution. Okay, and we always move forwards. We always move forwards. Forwards. We are almost done with some things over here. Woo! Alright, this is only going to move us forward or backwards, not actually going to give us the pitching and shit. We still need to do that. I'm getting freaking Vietnam flashbacks to Euler. Oh, for crying! No, what do you? What? No, don't. I don't. Here, there. I need a bigger screen. Okay. We always forwards. Yes, we always forwards. Just gotta keep it that way. Velocity. What? Why can't I do velocity? Velocity? Velocity. No. How do I access the velocity of this thing again? Can I do this dot velocity? No, no. That's not a thing. Velocity? How do they access velocity again? Okay, time to open. Time to open the other project and check how we access velocity. And wait, should it be? How do we do that? Shouldn't it be just velocity and done? I guess not. Hmm. Huh. 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 I need to go to bed. Oh, we're not at 3 hours yet. Okay, the moment we hit 3 hours, I'm heading to bed. Because I need, like, my brain isn't anymore. My brain. Oh. Okay, whatever. Go C sharp velocity. There you go. Oh, wait. Right. I have to. I think I have to turn it into Minecraft Villager over like a. Yes, absolutely. Yeah, if I recall correctly, I do actually have to get the value of velocity and then do some things. Wait a minute, what? With the character body. This is a character body. Using Godot. Wait, ready, delta present. Okay, where's velocity? Where's velocity? Where's velocity? Current velocity. Current velocity. No. After that, no. No. No, velocity equal current velocity. Yeah, no. But I cannot. Velocity isn't even appearing as a thing. Am I not? Oh, okay. That's the issue. That's the issue. That's the issue. That's the issue. When I made the code, this was still a Node 3D. It needs to be a character body 3D. It needs to inherit from character body 3D. Character body 3D, which is why it did not have velocity. There you go. Always do proper inheritance, people. Otherwise, you get a fight. There you are, velocity. Also, okay, no, in this case, what I actually do is I make a var velocity. There you go. It's a lowercase, and here I put all this fun little logic, which is transformed at basis c times forward speed. Okay, well, minus transform, minus transform, minus transform. Yeah, which is minus transform dot z dot basis dot z times forward speed. There you go. And this equal to velocity, because that's how we do it. We cannot, in C sharp, which some of you might not know, but maybe you do. In C sharp, if I recall correctly, you cannot. Actually, okay, I'm just gonna show you. I'm just gonna show you. In C sharp, you cannot do this. Okay, at least not in Godot C sharp. You cannot do this. Wait, you can? I thought you couldn't. Okay, never mind. I guess you can. Okay, with some you can't do this. With some you can't do this. Wait, can you not do this? I think the way I was doing is actually the safer way to do it. I recall there being a reason why we do this. I'm just gonna do this. I'm too tired to look up why I'm not doing the other thing. I'm just gonna do it this way. And then we do good old move and slide. There you go. Good old faithful. The old faithful. Move and slide. Yay. And you know what? That's where I'm gonna cut it off because my brain tired. Let's just. Oh crap! Okay. Let me build. Let me build. Okay, you let me. Okay, good. Let me build. Also, my little kitty cat is sneezing. Are you okay? Yeah, he's okay. He's okay. Do 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 do. look at all these basic values. Okay, no. We need. Well, I'm not done yet. I'm almost done. But if you want, okay, shoot, go away, go away. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. Wait, wait. What does that mean? What does that? What is that little? What does that? What is that little thing? What is that little thing? Did you send me bits? No, don't go. Wait, 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 wait. Did you send me bits? How freaking? Oh, that. Wait, did you? Did you? Why is it showing that thing over there on your thing there? What does that mean? What does that mean? Don't go just yet. Don't go just yet. Oh yeah, you did. You did send some bits. Did you not? I don't know. I am. Oh no 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 no. Let's no. Let's not end stream. Let's not end stream just yet. I do not know. I do not know how bits work. I do not know. But did you send me bits? If you did send me bits, thank you very much. That is really appreciated. If you did. And if you didn't, that's also fine. Just you being here is really appreciated. Uh, yeah, let's just do this. Let's add a mesh instance, 3D. There you go. Boom. Let's make you a gigantic freaking plane. No, not quad mesh. A plane. Where are you, plane? Where are you? There, new plane mesh, and we're just gonna make you freaking gigantic. Size 200, 200. There you go. Oh, that's yeah, that's proper big. No, that's proper big. That's what I'm talking about. I'm just gonna place. You know what? I'm also going to place. Just some. Whoa. Okay. Oh. Wait, why was it sending it over there? Okay, whatever. Let's just put a building over there. Put a building. Why are you? Why is it putting it so weirdly? I don't know. Put one over here. You know, just so we have some reference points for our plane to see stuff. Why is it doing that? I don't know. That is weird. Why is it placing it all the way over here? Whatever. Okay, there. And now we save scene as airspace. As air as airspace. And obviously we do this in levels. There you go. There you go. Airspace level. Airspace level. There. And now we put in the airplane, and we can see it, and we will be able to see it just like go forward or backwards. And I'm gonna add the other stuff at the different point. If I did this right, I forgot to attach a camera. I am an. Also, let me actually add a. What? Oh no no here let's add sun scene, add environment scene. There you go. Directional light 3D. Let's really yeah there you go. It's late. Can I can I make the color like yellowish, like reddish? There you go. Now we're talking. There you go. Ain't that beautiful? No 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 no. I didn't press enter. There you go. There. Perfect. Perfect. Wait, what's the world environment? What exactly is this? I need to look into more of the more of some things. Okay, wait. Airplane. Let's just add a camera pivot. No, it's no 3D. No 3D. We're gonna call this camera pivot. And we're gonna attach the camera to this bitch. Add camera, camera 3D, yay! And to this camera, we're going to turn around, then move it like this, and then like this, then like this, and then we're gonna do. Oh yeah, there you go. That sucks. That sucks. Anyway, like this, and then like. Let's do two viewports and let's do this preview. I don't quite like that. Further here, like this. Now we're talking. There you go. Okay. Now we have all of that set up. And we're gonna save this. And we're gonna save this. And we're gonna play the scene. And we're going to see our plane go forward and backwards. Well, forward and... Oh, why is it going the other way? Wait, wait. Am I stupid? Am, am I stupid? Am I stupid? Hmm. Oh, you know what? I am stupid. I am stupid. Wait, am I stupid? I what? No, I am very confused. Oh, yes, I am stupid. Let's there you go. Everything's fixed. And now over here, this dude, we do a 180. Oh, wait, no, we don't do. Wait, we don't do a 180? Okay, sure. Why do we not do a 180? Why do we not do a 180? Why are we not doing 180? We should do a 180, shouldn't we? Should we do a 180? Okay, yeah, it didn't update the plane. Why did not update the plane? Plane. Up. Side. Down. Let's build again. There's me to build. Okay, now once this thing is flying forwards and I can, like, break it or whatever. East local space. Yeah, thank you very much. I'd appreciate that. You see, I'm pressing forward. It's flying backwards, and that's it shouldn't do that. It shouldn't do that. Okay. Okay, good. Throttle up, throttle up, throttle down, throttle down. Okay. Where do I use throttle up, throttle up? Yes. Throttle down. Yes. Forward speed. Velocity. Forward. Okay, I guess I have to make this not minus for this to work. For this to work, I have to make it not minus. For this to work, I have to make it not minus. Which means I can actually just... Can I just click update or something like that? No, I can't. That sucks. Well, I'll just delete this one. Let's put a new one right over here. There you go. Oh, no. Why are you all the way up here? I want you down there. I want you down there. There you go. And now we play the scene. And then it's goodbye. Hey, there you go. Hmm. Although my speed does not seem to be decreasing or increasing. Hmm. Well, I will look into that a different time. That is it. Thanks for being here. There you go. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned stuff. I definitely learned a bunch of stuff. And I need to get really back into Godot because there's a lot of things that I want to get done before October. But yes, I hope you had a wonderful evening. And yeah, see ya.